Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw a lotus. So for that, firstly I'm going to use the tricolor and I'm going to use my fingers to paint. As you can see, I'm using the orange and the green color. Basically I'm doing this because I wanted to do it based on the Republic Day theme. And as you all know that lotus is the national flower of India. So let's start drawing. Firstly, what I'm doing here, I'm making a circle with the help of a pencil. After making the circle, I'm drawing another circle inside the big circle. Okay, and the small circle, it should be near to the top of the big circle. Now I am drawing the petals alongside the inner circle. So you have to keep adding the petals around the small circle. Now I am adding some more petals. These petals are going to touch the outer circle. These petals are going to be a little bigger in size in comparison to what we have drawn before. As you can see, I have used watercolor for doing the finger paint. Those who don't want to do the finger paint, they can omit that part. If you want to color the lotus, you can do that as well. Now it's time to add some details to the petals. Now let's make the leaves for the lotus. The leaves of the lotus will be somewhat like an oval shape. Now we can erase the guidelines we had drawn for drawing the lotus. Now let's start doing the outline for the lotus with a black pen. Either you can use a black gel pen or you can even use black pit pens. As you can see, the lotus is almost complete. I hope all of you enjoyed drawing the lotus and found it easy to draw. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. I'm adding some more details. Hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial.